Hello friends, myself Dr. Medhavi Agarwal. I am back with another interesting topic, post lockdown. What next? Where will be standing after lockdown? Is it lockdown over? Everything over? Or it is something a new story altogether? Many of us has this in our mind that once lockdown is over, then everything is over. This attitude will be very dangerous in future. Many people ask us what to do, what not to do post lockdown. So here I am going to answer few of your queries. The first question is corona over once lockdown is over? The answer is a big no. Please don't be overconfident. It is lockdown getting over, not the corona. You have to fight continuously till there is a vaccine, and it is expected that it may take up to 1 to 2 years to get a vaccine. Till the time, we have to continuously fight with this pandemic. Altogether, by taking all precautions, which we'll be discussing in further. The second question arises, do we will be at increased risk of COVID-19 post lockdown? Then answer is yes to somewhat extent. Do we have done a good amount of things during this lockdown, but still the risk will be more post lockdown as compared to during the lockdown. Then we also have the question in mind, why are we overing the lockdown? So sorry to say, lockdown is not a permanent solution. We have to get over that once or a while. And whenever we'll be overing the lockdown, the risk will be same. So we have to start learning how to swim with the flow. If during this time of lockdown, we have achieved two things. One, we have increased the doubling rate from 3 days to almost 12 days. Means even now, post lockdown, the doubling rate may decrease, but still will be better than 3 days of initial doubling rate. Secondly, we are now ready with our infrastructure to take better care of the individual. So with few extra cautions, we can together fight with COVID-19. Many of us might be thinking, can we go back to the same lifestyle we had before this pandemic? The answer is a big no. It might seem to be shocking and surprising, but as per the prediction by health specialists across the world, we have to make some changes in our daily routine so that we can be wary of any possible future threats. It's time for us to rethink, renovate ourselves to the unknown future. Please note, this is as an important message as well as keep note so that we won't regret further. We need to avoid crowded areas as much as possible, like temples, religious institutes, marriages, functions, etc. Do not attend them unless absolutely necessary. If in case you have to attend, you have to go in that places, maintain the hygiene. The hygiene include wearing a face mask, always maintaining hygiene, like regularly washing your hands with soap and water, carrying a hand sanitizer all along your time. Taking good care of your body checkups and all those things. If you can physically get examined, it's good. If not, have a telemedicine consultation with your doctors. Maintain a healthy food habits. Keep doing exercise on a daily basis. Stay fit. Have a positive mindset. Do not ignore even the slightest of your health concern. Be cautious of your surrounding. Educate neighbor about the importance of mental hygiene as well as the physical hygiene. Take care of the elderly in the family. Help the needy people whenever, wherever it's possible. In case you have to travel into the foreign places, because right now the district is closed, countries' borders are sealed. In future, when they will open up, the risk will remain there unless and until we have a vaccine. So, in case you are taking up a traveling, maintain the hygiene. Follow the cough etiquette. Wash your hand properly with soap and water. In case not possible, Have a hand rub or a sanitizer with you. Let us continue certain things which we are doing currently. Let us stay safe. Let others stay safe and healthy too. Create an active, fun-filled environment around. Be happy, stay healthy. Please subscribe to my channel to stay updated and to get more information on daily healthy trends. Concern, click on the bell button. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.